It was nice to take a little chill from the flat iron for at least a week and just do something that was bit bam boom, you know, just braid it up and keep it moving. Hey guys, welcome back. What's going on, subbies? And what's up, newbies? That's anybody maybe checking me out for the first time. Maybe not. Maybe you're here for the third or the fourth or maybe even the fifth. Honey, we don't count around here. We really don't. I just want my subs and my noobs to come on in. Okay, so today, did you read the title of the video before you clicked it? Do you see the attire we are wearing? Well, you already know what's about to happen, what's about to go down, okay, in Hair Town. So for all those who are not initiated, and perhaps you are a newbie and not familiar with what goes on around here, we like to check in every 4 weeks as far as the health of our hair to make sure nothing goes off the track. I relaxed my hair 4 weeks ago. I am now checking in to make sure that everything is fine and good and fine. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, we're going to check on the length. I like to do a little product update, you know, if anything has changed, which usually it doesn't because I have my day ones. Then I do a little show and tell and then we wrap it on up. Okay, so that's how it goes around here. So first off, as you can tell, you know, we are back to the nice and smooth and the smooth and nice. I am back to my normal hairstyle. I get it. Tough crowd. I know that a lot of you guys, and again, if you're not familiar, if you are not caught up on current events, last week I did a braid out. I did a one braid out. And the result was pretty nice, I must say. And the consensus was the same, that, you know, a lot of you guys really liked the way that it came out. So I just wore a little headband and I tucked my bangs back. And quite a few of you guys made a comment about the bangs, how you like them tucked back, or at least let my full head be shown and known. So I appreciate that, I really do. And like I said, I think I may do that a little more often, okay, as far as the braid out. It was nice to take a little chill from the flat iron for at least a week and just do something that was bit bam boom, you know, just braid it up and keep it moving. It lasted about 4 days for me for what I would like to wear as far as out and about, which isn't bad. And then from that point on, I just wore a baseball cap. You just put on the baseball cap and just let the rest hang and be free. And it was something to get used to because when I do flat iron my hair feels a lot softer and shinier. But being that I wasn't using heat, even with the oil, and I put something else on my edges at night, it did feel a little drier, but that's just something to get used to, which of course is normal because I flat iron my hair versus just wearing it after a blow dry. That's totally normal. But it was just a little, you know, it was something to get used to. When I shampooed my hair, I didn't notice anything extra as far as shedding because, again, I did not comb it. I just braided it up and I just, you know, shook it in and went, you know. It was a shake and go, so to speak. So I didn't really comb it, but I didn't notice a whole lot of shedding because of that. And I didn't notice a lot of breakage either, okay? I didn't notice a lot of breakage. When I say breakage, I mean normal breakage. Anytime you manipulate your hair, you know, we already went over this, but for those who are not familiar, anytime you comb or manipulate your hair in any way, comb, brush, braid, whatever, you can have normal breakage. Normal meaning you may see a little bit of, you know, short hairs here and there that may have broken off during that minor manipulation. So outside of normal breakage, I didn't really see too much. But I was very happy for the change up, like I said, and I'll probably do it again. So there is that. So with that being said, I haven't used any new products outside of the Paul Mitchell, and that was last week. But this week, honey, when we did our hair and I did everything normal, I didn't do any extra conditioning. I didn't do anything extra to my hair this week, being that I didn't put heat on it last week. I just went through my normal protocol of shampoo, conditioning, leave-in, and my setting lotion, then blow drying, and then the curling and the ironing, and then going to bed. So now that we're all caught up with that, that was just the appetizer. That was just the soup and breadsticks. But now we're going to get to the meat and potatoes, okay? We are going to get down with the get down and show what's going on with my hair. Again, I relax every 8 weeks. So this is the 4th week in, and we're just going to check and see what's going on and make sure everything is steady Betty. Okay? Not that my name is Betty. You know my name's not Betty, but anyway, we're going to check that length and we're going to get right to it. So here we go. Okay, guys, so it is looking good to me. I mean, it's looking pretty good. I will say that even though it's only been 4 weeks, my roots are really thick. Like, they're really thick already. What I think is that being that it's summertime and I'm getting a little bit more vitamin D from the sun, I think that's helping to contribute to my growth, if you will, because we already been through it. And we've already been over it, that vitamin D is very essential for a lot of things as far as your health, including your hair. It's very, very good for our hair, vitamin D. My hair normally grows a little faster in the summertime anyway, and I'm sure with some of you as well. So there's that, but I don't know. I'm almost getting helmet head, you know what I mean? Those who are relaxed and get the new growth, y'all know what I'm talking about, when it feels like you're wearing a helmet, or it looks like you're wearing a helmet. It feels like you're smuggling an afro underneath your relaxed hair, so everything just sits up, feels cushiony, if you will. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. But I just wanted to make note of that my hair, my roots are really thick right now. So besides that, everything looks and feels good. You guys know that I like to trim when I relax and dust 4 weeks after. So we're 4 weeks after. So I did do that, did a dusting on my hair, and I'm feeling pretty good. Now, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I'm gonna claim this. We don't have too much longer to mid-back lane. No, we do not. Now, I'm not wearing the same equipment. And for all those who don't know what that means, I'm not wearing the same bra, because, you know, it depends on the bra and where your hair lays with the bra, because some bras sit up higher, some bras sit low, whatever. I'm not wearing the same equipment, but that's even more of a testament, because I am past just a couple of toes, because before it was one toe, then it was two. So we passed bra strap. So we a little past bra strap, okay? So we got more toes out there in the street than before. So with that being said, I'm claiming it. We are going to get to mid-back lane very soon. So we will be celebrating that, because that is my goal. For those who don't know, that is my goal. I want to get to mid-back. So we're just about there. So I am excited for that as well. But time is not up yet. No, it's not, because we got time for one more. Now, you know this is the part of the program when we do an altar call. Yes, honey, anybody and everybody who wants to say something, y'all know what time it is. And for those who don't know, hit it! It is roll call. It is roll call time, honey. Roll call time up in this piece. So anybody who has something to say about their hair, you can go on and say it. Just come on to the front. Don't push nobody. Okay, let's be polite. Let's wait our turn. But anybody who has something to say about their hair, whether it's an update or whether it's a continuation, whether you have tried something new or turned back to something old, it's all good up in here. We just want to know your update and how you're feeling about your hair. We are checking in with everybody who wants to be checked in on. So with that being said, get on down there and tell us what's going on. So now that we are all caught up and we have all did our due, we are going to get up out of here and skip to my loo. So with that being said, we are about to get up out of here. What do you think? I think we can put a button on it, honey. So with that being said, we were in and out okay. I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. You gotta come back for there's more stuff, because there's more stuff to be talked about. So you gotta come back for that. So you already know it's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.